Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add images in columns in Mailchimp by utilizing custom audience fields, allowing you to dynamically pull professional studio visuals and technical software screenshots directly into your 2026 campaigns. Let's get into it. First, navigate to your audience dashboard. The first step is entering the administrative hub of your subscriber database. In 2026, Mailchimp's studio controls are centralized here, ensuring that your technical video assets and contact data are perfectly synced before you start building your layout. Log in to your Mailchimp account and click on the audience icon in the left-hand navigation menu. If you have multiple audiences, ensure the correct one is selected from the drop-down menu before proceeding to the technical settings. To manage how images appear in your columns, you must first define the data structure that will hold your 2026 bookkeeping or market analysis visuals. Next, access audience fields and merge tags. To create a high-end automated layout, you need to access the advanced technical fields where Mailchimp stores specific information for each subscriber. Look to the top right corner of your audience dashboard and click on the three dots icon. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Audience Fields and Merge Tags. This menu is the studio gateway to your list's backend. Accessing these fields allows you to move beyond amateur-quality static emails and create a technical framework for dynamic, multi-column imagery. Lastly, add a new field for your image URL. Now you need to create a dedicated space in your database to hold the links for your professional studio graphics or tutorial thumbnails. Scroll to the bottom of your field list and click the Add a Field button. A list of data types will appear. Select text or image URL if available in your specific 2026 account version. By creating a custom field, you are telling Mailchimp's technical engine exactly where to look for the image assets that will eventually populate your columns. In the Data Type column, use the drop-down to change the format specifically to image URL. Review your new field settings and click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the screen. And that's pretty much it. To set up images for columns in 2026, go to your audience, click the three dots in the top right, and select Audience Fields and Merge Tags. Click Add a Field, label it clearly, and change the data type to image URL. Save your changes and keep your new merge tag handy to create a professional, automated studio layout for your latest technical software tutorials. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.